I'm Victor Paul Kawagga. I work with Oysters and Pearls, Uganda. Oysters and Pearls is an NGO that cultivates education and technology. We do this through robotics trainings, teaching girls how to build apps in schools. We run technology camps for both the sighted and the visually challenged. Sometimes we as the staff, we get to do different projects because in schools we teach students to come up with solutions to the problems. So sometimes we also get to sit down and then we figure out some of the problems and then we create solutions. So what we have today is one of the solutions we've come up for limited spaces, and it's some piece of furniture that can be configured to different positions. It can be configured as storage, whereby you're using it as shelves and storage down here. But it's the same furniture that you can simply bring down and convert it into a table. I'm happy that the client has taken on this project. I'm also very excited that they are also happy about it. She was happy to join me assemble the different modules to form the whole table. I also demonstrated to the client how she can lock it once it's in the vertical form. The other bit was on how she can transform it, say from table into the vertical form where she can use it as storage. So once it's converted into shelves, you can use it as storage, but it's also a good position for people experiencing back pain. It's not also good for people to oversit, so you can decide to work while standing. You just put your computer on one of the shelves and you work while standing. The client told me she would like to use it as a table during the catering classes, and say you have your 4 students around, then they use the table. When the class is done, then it can be configured into storage. Then the other things will include her personal work, like home duties, ironing, say some computer work, reading. It can as well be used as a dining table. If you are not so much of a big family, you can use it as a dining table. So this is our fully set up unit, and right now it's being used as a storage in form of shelves. And when time comes and you just want to use it more as a table, just bring it in the way, and then you utilize it that way. And later you can take it back and you create your part.